go check करो. Let's check. But you don't do this. Keep it really sexy. Come on. Nice. You keep moving. They'll adjust to you. Yeah.
More close. Literally, you can like go into face and. Yeah.
High down banana. But the chin up slightly out. Yeah. You be cool. Don't give that funny is not working. Keep it more stud. Keep it sexy. Yeah. Part your lips slightly. Open your mouth. Yeah. Still the other way. Chin up. Yeah.
Very nice.
Nice.
That's good.
Very nice.
Go more. Listen up.
Closer.
More closer. Very nice.
Closer. Get closer, yeah.
Ask me what's going on with us. I tell these bitches, if you make it past that wall, then you won't need to know. Cause you'll be there. That's real shit. Gangsta shit. Gangsta shit. Gangsta shit. Gangsta shit. Gangsta shit. that shit.
Straight the head, yeah. Yeah.
बस
Thanks. आया? Scroll down. The shirt, the stomach look doesn't look good sitting. In sitting, the stomach looks. Ready? Are they working? Just check. Rajan, आ रहे हो ना फोटो? Your finger, Omkar. Your finger. The finger, yeah. Maybe facing little face, yeah, slightly 3/4.
शराब पीछे
Right थोड़ा इधर लो।
पार्टी है थोड़ा अरे थाम 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 ना लाइट वाड़ो
सबसे पहले जानना चाहूँगा how you become a part of this brand.
वेल आई थिंक ठाकुर जो फिल्म के साथ पंचनामा के साथ जो मेरी एक इमेज बनी थी, आई थिंक उसको देख के सर ने, आई थिंक आनंद सर, द यू नो हु इज़ बिहाइंड IBC, आई थिंक दे थॉट आई सूट द ब्रांड अ लॉट, which is about it's a very sophisticated character, and such is the brand also as such. So I think that's what they think I suit the personality of the brand, and vice versa. So इसलिए I think मैं कहीं ना कहीं अपने उस ब्रांड से भी रिलेट करता हूँ, जब मुझे पता भी था. तो I think it's a great brand to get associated with also.
But what really appealed you to become part of the brand as such? इतना feeling क्या है इस brand में जो आपने सोचा कि मैं brand?
I think it's cause it goes with my personality. जो the kind of personality that I have, I think it matches that. So that's why I kind of decided to endorse it also.
Okay, what are the three things you look into whenever you become a part of any brand? And what is special about Masno, IBC and all?
Okay, I think the first three things that I look at is how similar the personality is of mine and the image of the brand is. So I think that is the first thing that I look at, and a couple of more things is what it caters to, because the best part is it caters mostly to the youth especially. I mean ये brand जो है ये सारे एज ग्रुप के लिए, लेकिन स्पेशली जो यूथ में कनेक्ट है और जिस तरह से मैं कनेक्ट करना चाहता हूँ, तो इसलिए मैं उन चीज़ों पे ध्यान देता हूँ ज़्यादा.
पहली फिल्म के बाद आपको इतना बड़ा अचीवमेंट मिल गया, सक्सेस मिला है,
जी,
आपको ब्रांड मिल गया इन्वेस्ट करने के लिए, क्या मानते हैं आप इस चीज़ को?
आई थिंक खुशनसीब मानता हूँ अपने आप को. आई मीन बहुत अच्छी बात है कि आई हैव गॉट द अपॉर्चुनिटी टू endorse a brand and be the brand ambassador for Masno. So it's a great opportunity for me, especially because प्यार का पंचनामा 2 की जो सक्सेस जिस हिसाब से थी और जितना लोगों ने प्यार दिया, आई मीन जितना लोगों ने ठाकुर के जो कैरेक्टर को सराहा है, आई थिंक वो चीज़ मेरे लिए वर्क करती है और लोग कहीं ना कहीं आई थिंक कनेक्ट करते हैं वो जो एक इमेज भी है उस चीज़ से, और जो कहीं ना कहीं मेरी पर्सनालिटी भी है. तो इसलिए मैं तो बहुत खुश हूँ कि मेजनो के साथ जुड़ने का मौका मिला.
Okay, apart from this, you also will be shooting the entire campaign for Masno.
Correct.
आनंद के बारे में क्या कहना चाहेंगे? The director, how your working experience with him?
I think it's great. I think the entire team is very good. They are very supportive because हम लोग ने एक्चुअली काफ़ी अर्जेंसी में डिसाइड किया था ये चीज़, लेकिन पूरी टीम काफ़ी सपोर्टिव रही थी, एंड इट्स बीन अ प्लेजर वर्किंग विद द एंटायर टीम ऑफ IBC एंड विद Masno. So it's a great pleasure.
Okay, with the lensman Dabbu Ratnani who shot Mr.
Exactly.
Bachchan to Aishwarya Rai,
Yes.
Shah Rukh to Salman.
Yes.
You're working with him.
Yes.
How proud moment it is.
इट्स अ ग्रेट फीलिंग यार. स्पेशली मैंने इनफैक्ट डब्बू सर जब मिले भी थे तो मैंने उनसे कहा भी था कि ऑल दिस वाइल आई वाज वेटिंग कि डब्बू सर कब मेरा एक फोलियो शूट करेंगे, और आज मेजनो के साथ मुझे एक जुड़ने का मौका मिल रहा है उनसे भी. और द पिक्चर्स दैट आर कमिंग आउट जो हम लोग देख रहे हैं इस समय, बहुत माइंड ब्लोइंग, बहुत ही फैंटास्टिक पिक्चर्स आ रही हैं. सो आई एम श्योर जब इसका पूरा कैंपेन बन के आएगा, जब लोगों को बहुत पसंद आएगा, आई थिंक, एंड इट्स फैंटास्टिक. आई मीन हु बेटर देन डब्बू रत्नानी टू शूट your campaign for the ad also. So मेरे लिए तो बहुत अच्छा एक्सपीरियंस है.
Okay, the last one. Do you think the responsibility somewhere down the line goes up on your shoulder when you become a part of any brand?
डेफिनेटली आई थिंक इट्स अ रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटी. दैट्स वाई वो आपको हमेशा बहुत ध्यान से चुनना पड़ता है, आई थिंक. और मैं इसलिए मैंने कहीं ना कहीं मैंने वो चीज़ सुनी और चुनी भी कि कहीं ना कहीं ये मेरी पर्सनालिटी से, जैसे मैंने आपको कहा, कि बहुत मिलता जुलता है. क्योंकि एक एवरी आई एम लाइक एनी अदर यंग गाय. सो आई थिंक बहुत ज़रूरी होता है and definitely I wish to take Mezno much more forward.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Thank you so much. Being a part of media, we really wait for your calendar. Now you have something else, so you know, also different story. Your association with Mezno and with IBC.
IBC and me have done a number of shoots together. We've done many campaigns together, and we like working with each other. And so we've done many shoots, and this is the first time we're shooting with Omkar, and this is my first shoot with him as well, and it's his first endorsement. So it's fun. I think we are having a great shoot. We started off very well. We've done like 4 shots before lunch, and we got some interesting shots, a lot of variations, a lot of various moods. So we have 2 lovely foreign models here as well, and so it's sexy, it's fun, it's sensual. So yeah, I think it's going really well.
So what you really like about Omkar persona as such? What is unique about his personality, being young and charming?
Yeah, he's very young. He's the boy next door, and still has and still that's why it's different for him, because people see him like a boy next door, and here we are treating him like a man and making him sexy and do all these sensual pictures. So it'll be interesting for people to see him in another light.
Okay, what would be your brief to Omkar? Even we have also have a director, Anand.
Okay.
What was your brief before you started the photo shoot?
I think my brief, we discussed it with Rajan, and we decided in terms of to try compositions with some shots with Omkar and 1 girl, and some shots with Omkar and 2 girls. So the mood is basically he has to be himself, be macho, be sexy, and the women do the rest around him. So it's for a duo. So I think it's more to do with feeling masculine, feeling great about yourself. So that's what my brief to him also, that you just feel good, feel confident, and let the women just be buzzing around you, and you feel your absolute best when you're posing.
What's your take? What's your view on IBC coming up with Mezno? Do you think it's another a good step ahead?
I think it's going to be interesting, because I think finally it's, of course, I mean, we must always try new things, try different things. So I think it'll be an interesting association, and I mean, the way they brand it, the way we position it, I think all that makes the difference, and make it look really upmarket and premium.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
Oberoi India Private Limited. What happened to bring this concept, and when was it initially? What time?
Okay. Oberoi IBC, which is our agency, has been Oberoi IBC, which is our advertising agency, has been associated with Mysore Deep Agarbatti for many years, and Z Black is the brand that is there, and Ankit Ji is the 3rd generation fragrance maker here there, and they've been into agarbattis for 3 generations now, and taking the fragrances forward is what we are now graduating organically into the deodorant space. Yes, there are too many deodorants in the market, there are lots of things, but the fragrances that we are coming out, which are very unique, very different, and I'm sure once you use them, it'll make you a magnet.
Okay, I hope or I believe you must be knowing there's an ad which is very famous at the moment in the current scenario.
Which is that ad?
Fog. Okay. What you have in mind, being a director, if you're doing an ad campaign, if you're doing a commercial, what are the things you have kept in mind when shooting the entire ad commercial of this?
This ad is very simple. As I said a little while back, we did work out with the fragrances that we had to be different. This is like position. It's a men's range of brands that we are trying to come out. Well, now it's the deodorants, then there will be perfumes, then there is eau de colognes, and then there are other men accessories that we will be coming out with under this brand Mezno.
What your take on this? It's altogether a new start.
Yeah, it's altogether a new start.
What kept in mind while working on Mezno, especially the brand?
Yeah, traditionally India is a country where fashion and grooming was limited up to the females, and I believe that men should also take care of themselves, and they should be more metrosexual. That is my idea behind Mezno. Mesno means everything and anything related to men's grooming and their metrosexuality. So Mesno is that. Mesno is for men. It's dedicated for young boys and men. That was the basic idea behind Mesno as a brand.
Okay, how are you getting Dabbuji on board, though he already worked with you for
many years.
Getting Dabbuji on board, Omkar on board. It will be more visible to the people, to the masses.
Omkar Kapoor is the flavor of the season there. His recent film did very well, and he is the craze amongst girls. If we had to find someone who could look Omkar Kapoor sexy, it could be none other than Dabbu Ratnani there. And having Omkar Kapoor and Dabbu Ratnani here to show this brand, we are sure that Mesno will be liked and appreciated when we present it in the open market.
When you plan to do an official launch of Mesno?
It would be in January.
Yeah, sometime in January.
Somewhere in January.
Thank you. Okay.
Thank you.
I like something which fits me very well, and I can carry myself as beautiful I can. That's how I like to be very